In today's video, we talk about how to transfer funds from CIBC to Simplii I 2025. Watch until the end of the video to learn everything you need. Log into CIBC Online Banking. Visit CIBC Online Banking or open the CIBC Mobile Banking app. Log in using your credentials. Navigate to Send Money or Interac e-Transfer. In the Payments and Transfers section, choose Send Money or Interac e-Transfer. Select the recipient. If you haven't already added your Simplii Financial account as a recipient, select the option to add a new recipient. Enter the recipient's details, which would be the email address or mobile. Enter the transfer amount. Input the amount you want to send. Answer security question, if applicable. Confirm and send the transfer. Review the details, including the recipient, amount, and any transfer fees. Once everything looks good, confirm the transfer. Recipient gets the funds. I hope you will learn about the video. Thank you for watching.